How to recover money sent to wrong account in Gpay. So before anything, Gpay cannot reverse a payment instantly because UPI is towards bank to bank, but you can still recover the money if you do act fast. So first step is to check if the payment was pending or failed. Open the Google Pay app, go to your transactions. If it says pending, you can go ahead and auto reverse in a few hours. And if it says failed, money will return automatically. And if it says completed, you can move to the next step, which is to basically go for contact. So if you can possibly contact the receiver, maybe you know their number or you see their number, or basically the money goes to the phone number, a UPI ID, or wrong contact, the person exists, you can message or call them through Gpay apparently. Most recoveries happen this way. So contact them and you can ask for a refund. So you can only get this if they allow it and they're okay with it. If they do receive it and they don't allow the refund, then there's not much you can do anymore. So note down the details. You will need this for bank support as well. The transaction ID, UPI reference number, which is 12 digits, the amount that you sent, the date and time, wrong account number or UPI ID or to whoever you sent the money to, and your bank name. You'll find these in the transaction details. Then just go ahead and contact your bank, which is the main fix if your bank is involved. So you can tell them that you sent the money to the wrong UPI address by mistake, and then you can ask them to please raise a reversal request. So the banks can call this a UPI wrong credit dispute or a reversal request, and they will contact the receiver's bank, ask for approval of refund, and reverse the amount if the receiver agrees or if the account is invalid. So again, note that we said beforehand that the reverse the amount can only happen if the receiver agrees, and if they don't, then there's not much we can do or anyone can do. And if the account is invalid, of course, if it is invalid, it will be reversed since no one's holding that, and it could go for a few days as well. And finally, if your bank cannot reach them or wants extra info, you can also contact the receiver's bank branch using the UPI details. Again, give them the UPI transaction ID, the reference number, wrong account as well, and they can freeze the funds if it was involving banks or whatnot. So you can always go for that since it is the most helpful thing, especially contacting Google Pay support as well. It's all optional, but it is helpful. But again, Google Pay cannot refund money themselves, but they open a support ticket with the bank faster since it's more direct. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.